Welcome back to the 6th Theory Garage. Today we're doing a speed test between this 200-watt pulsed laser cleaning machine and this 2,000-watt continuous wave machine. Obviously, this one's going to be faster, but we're going to find out just how much faster it is. Today I'm going to be laser cleaning this 45-year-old rusty, crusty steel rim. Here's a look at the parameters I'm using today. This is the FLC 200 by Fortune laser. It's a 200-watt pulsed laser cleaning machine, perfect for removing rust, paint, oil, and grease without damaging the underlying surface. I've used this in other videos on all kinds of things, including fenders, tools, pistons, intake manifolds, iron blocks, and much more. I made a full video all about this machine last year, explaining its advantages and disadvantages when it comes to cleaning. I'll put a link to that video in the description. And the machine's only disadvantage is really its speed. It does a great job cleaning, but large items will take a long time. So let's speed up the video. This is exactly why I got my second laser cleaner, the FLC 2000, a 2,000-watt continuous wave cleaner, also by Fortune Laser. It doesn't have nearly the amount of adjustable parameters that the FLC 200 has, but it makes up for that with raw power. It has a cleaning width of up to 300 millimeters wide, so it cleans in a fraction of the time that this pulsed machine does. I don't have a dedicated video all about the FLC 2000 yet, but do plan on making one soon. Cleaning half of the backside of this steel rim with the FLC 200 took 8 minutes and 57 seconds. Here's a close look at the before and after. Now it's time for the FLC 2000. We're going full power on this test. The time to clean this half of the rim with the FLC 2000 was 49 seconds. That's about 11 times faster than the FLC 200. If there are any other tests you'd like to see me do with either of these machines, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching.